Music theory is something I could never wrap my head around. I didn't understand how the notes interacted with each other. I knew some chord shapes, I knew where the 1, 4, 5 power chords were, but obviously there was a lot of stuff missing. What is this circle of fifths? How do people make chords? The Beatles were making fancy chords in their teens. How come I couldn't figure it out? Well, one day the proverbial light bulb just went off. If you want to learn a little bit about music theory or you're having trouble grasping the concepts, I'm going to try to help you right now. Let's get started. There are 7 main notes in music: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Once you hit G, starts all over again with A. These are all the white keys on a piano. We'll get to the black keys in a second. So people use pianos to illustrate things because the keys are all in a row. It's linear. Guitars have notes all over the neck. So let's just stick with the keyboard here. Here I show you where the note A is. The next white key is B, next white key is C, and so on. Like I said, once you hit G, starts over. Notice how the pattern of keys repeat. Same pattern, same notes. So if I'm on the note A and I travel the keyboard to the next A, that is called the next octave. If the A is higher in pitch, we've gone up an octave. If the A is lower in pitch, yes, we have gone down an octave. All right, let's talk about the black keys. The fancy name for the black keys, these notes are called accidentals. If the black key is higher than the note we're playing, you have made the note sharp. So the black key to the right of A, in between A and B, is A sharp. To the right of C is C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and it continues all over again. All right, now let's talk about flats. If the black key is lower than the note we're referencing, you have made the note flat. So the black key to the left of B, in between A and B, is B flat. Now hold on a second. I just said that the black key in between A and B was A sharp. Now I'm saying it's B flat. Yes, it can be called either one, and there's a reason why you would call it one way or the other, but that's for another lesson. The fancy word for a note having 2 names like this, it's enharmonic. All right, so let me fill in the rest of the flats, and you will notice that there is a sharp or a flat between every note except B and C and E and F. That will come into handy here in a second. All right, so moving on, let's zoom in a little bit. Every note, sharps and flats included, every key is what's called a half step away from the next. Another word for half step is semitone. So I'll use this little purple dot thing here to show you. So A to A sharp is a half step. A sharp to B is a half step. B to C is a half step. Doesn't matter if the key is white or black. Next key is a half step. C to C sharp is a half step. C sharp to D is a half step, and so on. You get the picture. All right. So guess what happens when a note is 2 keys away? It's called a whole step or a whole tone. So A to B, I'll use this little yellow line to show you. A to B is a whole step. We pass A sharp to get there. A whole step from B, we skip C and go up to C sharp. Again, doesn't matter if the key is white or black. A whole step is 2 keys. C sharp, a whole step from there is D sharp. Whole step from there, skip E, go to F. And then a whole step from F is G, then a whole step is A, and the cycle continues. All right, these half steps and whole steps will come into play the next lesson or two. So you know what they are, you know where the notes are. That's enough for today. Thank you for watching.